Okay, so recall the Python script that we created earlier. Remember that I said that ideally you'd want a way to transfer this to the target machine in a sneaky way, and have it sneakily executed by the target host. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to send that script that we made earlier via Gmail. And as you can see, Gmail's built-in antivirus detection has picked it up. So what can we do to circumvent that? What I'm going to do is I'm going to now use an encoder. Okay? So what the encoders are in the Metasploit framework is that they allow you to circumvent certain antivirus detection mechanisms, and in particular the encoder that I'm going to use is called the Shigata Ganai. So let's go. Okay, so in order to choose an encoder, you use the -E flag, and it's found under x86 Shikata Ganai. And with this, you specify an iteration count. I'm going to use 256 iterations, and the number of iterations that you give it will make it a stronger technique. It will give it stronger encoding. So I'm going to specify the file type, which is Python, and there you have it, 256 iterations, and the payload is somewhat larger than before. So let's try to send the malware now. And as you can see, so far so good. Successful. So it worked.